Hey everybody, this is the wrap. This is part 3 of my live video series, and this is the wrap. This is the third element that you need to implement to get more viewers on your lives. And if y'all stay tuned, I am going to discuss with you about your stories on Facebook and utilizing your stories because it's worked for me and it worked for you. Stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Again, my name is Marilyn Peavy with Marilyn's Jewelry Corner, and I am an independent paparazzi consultant, and I'm the team leader of Sparkling Angels. Before we go further, if you want to join my team and get all the information that I have to train you on doing the same business, give me a holler on Facebook. Holler, and I will send you the information. Anyways, you guys, let's get going. Y'all, your timeline, if you on your stories, I have found that if I implement at least 10 minutes a day to go to go on people's stories and comment on their stories, a genuine response, I get more followers on my lives. Okay, I have done it and it works. So let me tell you, what I do is I just go on, on your phone, okay, and you just hit the first thing, and you just comment, okay. You just comment on their lives. You say something genuine, and when you put that comment right in here, guess what? It goes into their messenger. And what did I say at the beginning? On Messenger, it brings your algorithms up. So if they answer back, keep engaging with that person. And when you go live again, they're going to see your video, okay? And they're going to see your content. So keep commenting. I do this every single day. Turn this off because it's going, and I compliment everybody, or I say something. You don't have to say a whole lot. All you have to do is comment on. I average in about 10 minutes time, 10 to 30 people. I do not do it, y'all, first thing early in the morning because I don't want to wake anybody up, because like I said, it goes to Messenger. So I wait later part of the morning and then start commenting on people's stories, okay? The stories is the key, and that's the reason why Facebook has put it out there. They're wanting you to use the stories, so start using the stories. So how many of you have done stories yourself? I haven't used them that much often, but here lately I have been doing them, and I'm at those same questions that I talked about in video 2. And if you haven't seen the video, y'all need to go back to part 2, okay? But this is part 3, is doing your Facebook stories. Don't put it all about your jewelry. Just ask questions, and then when they answer the question, it's going into your messenger, so you're interacting with that person that interacted with you. So that's getting your algorithms to boost up, because you're in Messenger and they're going to show you your content to them on Facebook. So you start utilizing your stories. That's the most important thing that I have found, and my viewership has gone up 100%. Through the July and August, I didn't hardly have any viewers on my lives at all. And sometimes I was hearing crickets. Crickets! Y'all hear those crickets? But to keep you from having those crickets, if you implement all those pieces of those those 3 elements that I told you about, you will get more viewers on your lives. Yes, it will take time, and if you put the work in, it will pay off. So start using the stories. Y'all can, in Canva, you can fix it where you can ask the question that you do on your timeline, and you can also fix it for a Facebook, or I do it for an Instagram post as well. I do the same question. You can even just go into your text thing on your phone. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but if I wanted to ask a question, I would hit my butt, not that one. Okay, hold on. I would hit my button, okay, and you have these up here. You got text, music, boomerang, selfie. Y'all can put jewelry on and do a selfie. Poll. Polls are good. I get polls. You can do this or that. You can change the yes or no poll to this or that, and they can vote on it. So that's getting going on your stories. So I would utilize your stories as much as possible. And y'all, there's no certain time you can post a story. You can post it at any time. So that you're not going to be waking anybody up if you do it at 7 o'clock when you post your question. So you can do your story at the same time. I wouldn't do your story, your question on your timeline and match it with your story. I would do a different question. Maybe do a series of questions. And you can also post your new releases on there, but I would also show them your life. Take pictures of I got grandchildren, so I post pictures of my grandchildren and post it up there. That way they get to know you, and they're commenting on you on your story. So once they comment, it goes directly into your messenger, and you can start a relationship up with them in Messenger. So stories is the key that I have found, and I have implemented it, and it works. So y'all start doing that now. So now you guys, y'all got those 3 parts. So go and do those things and let me know how it worked out for you. I would be interested to know if it worked for you as it has me. Y'all have a great day, and we'll talk to you another time. Bye.